What is the crack, everyone? It has been so long since I've turned this camera on. I am going to be so rusty at this, but hopefully this is the first vlog back. This is like the re-evolution, the re-bump for the YouTube channel. Like, life has been insane. I feel like I've been saying that for several months now, but it has. And I got to a stage where I had my final year in chemical engineering. I had my business, Country Munch, trying to get it started up. I had so many things kind of on top of each other, and like something had to give. So instead of giving out half decent quality vlogs, I decided to just take however like 2 months off, and just focus on the kitchen, focus on the business, focus on college. So as of right now, I am completely finished college. I hopefully completed my degree. I'll know in a few months if I passed or not, but for now, let's say I am completely graduated, finished in a chemical and biochemical engineering degree, which I will hopefully never have to use. What else has happened in the past few months? Just it happens to be here. I got featured on a national newspaper, the Farmers Journal, so I got the front headline in that. So that was cool. And we have a brand new production kitchen in Limerick. So I popped in there during the week, and I will let previous Eoin do the talking. The last 6 months I've been keeping a secret. I've been working on this, building on it. Like so much has gone into this.
John's black work in there, so there's probably just black work to land.
And it is finally ready to go. So this will be the new Country Munch kitchen. Oh wow, it looks so good in the light. So okay, ignore this fridge is going. We don't want this anymore. But we have two 10 shelf convection ovens. We have a 4-ring gas hob back there. We have three massive fridges really. A double door and a single door. We have a blast chiller, we have sinks, we have sluice sinks, we have packaging areas. We have this like incredible workspace, dishwasher, cleaning area, veg prep. Like the place is absolutely massive. And this like, oh, what the perfect positioning. This has like been in the works since last October. The reason that I haven't documented the process, because I very much believe in kind of preaching or doing by actions, not by talk. Casey Neistat covered this beautifully last year. I'm gonna overlay that clip now. So like in that kind of aspect, I much would rather keep it to myself, do it, work it, and then say, look what I've created, rather than say, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this. Because if I've learned one thing, it's that like in business or anything like that, things take time. If it's promised in 1 week, it will probably take 2 weeks. If it's promised within a month, it'll probably take a month and a half, if not 2 months. Things take time, and it's frustrating, and juggling that with college was extremely difficult, but we are out of college. We are in this new kitchen that is probably 90% ready. I got a loan of loads of pots and pans that you can see here from a good friend of mine, and like that has helped out so much. I cannot thank her enough. We're continuously going to be adding to this, but like this is it. This is what probably over a year's work kind of amounts to. This whole new kitchen that we hopefully will launch in next Monday, the 28th. I hope to anyway. So this week it will just getting this ready to go for Monday, getting our packaging, getting our stickers, getting our, like the logistics. There's so much more involved than just cooking and selling food. We have to get our packaging, we have to get the stickers, we have to get our marketing, we have to get sales, we have to get pre-orders, we have to get tasting menus, printed menus. There is so much involved you do not see, but I just want to start. You know, I've been talking about this for over a year. I've been planning it. I've been, you know, making these plans, signing these contracts, and now finally I'm getting a chance to actually do it. And not only have we like the full production kitchen, but we have like an office space with changing rooms. We have our toilet, so for staff, me, and this place is actually part of a much bigger entity. It's part of a much bigger complex. Hold on, off. Everything is off. I need to get used to that. So if you come out our back door and you go this way, so this whole complex will be the new Fit 100 gym. They, like, I think I've shown it previously in the vlog before, but they are just currently up the road and they're going to be relocating here, and we have our kitchen downstairs, so they'll complement each other quite nicely. We will supply some of their members with food. We'll be able to help them out with like when teams come in or events. Like that is the kitchen. That is what the last 7 months has been. It has been taking it from 2 office spaces that we saw that was just covered in shit. There was just, it was just like a building site, like a rubble, and they offered to us and we said yes, and it just rolled and rolled and kept going, and now we have an absolutely amazing production kitchen. We have so much space, and I plan to utilize that space as much as I can. I'd like to do some in-house, you know, 4-week courses in, you know, like healthy cooking, or like I have so many ideas up here that I have been waiting to just be let go and try. And like, I feel like I've had a leash on me for the last 1.5 years trying to finish college and all this stuff. So now that that's all gone, it's scary in a way. I mean, like in a sense, I am never been so ready in my life to go, but I'm also absolutely petrified, and I'm like this close to booking a flight to Mexico and changing my name.
My name is Jeff.
The kitchen is located on the Ballysimon Road. The address will be here somewhere on the screen. We're like, the best way to find us, we are located with the brand new Fit 100 gym. So me and Colm met. I'll bring Colm onto this vlog pretty soon, and we can go through our whole how we met story. It's very cute. But we met and our paths seemed to collide at the perfect time. You know, an opportunity came and we both kind of took a bite and we're not going to let go. So we are part of that complex. Upstairs will be a brand new gym. Downstairs will be us in our production kitchen. So we're going to serve food through that and through our own doorway as well. I will give much more detail onto the actual business itself in time to come. We are probably a week out from launch, give or take, depending on some like health and safety procedures that we have to sign off and tick and get done. It's all the nitty-gritty stuff. We are very close to just going and jumping into the deep end with weights on and learning how to swim fast. But this is just a kind of like refresher vlog. I'm not going to do much more else in here. I'm going to hopefully have at least 3 uploads a week, a cooking demo, hopefully a new podcast with Colm. So there's a lot of things in the works, a lot of things that we need to kind of fine tune and just beat out, but it is all very exciting. And that is it. So if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you are ready to join along in this journey with us and just see this evolve into something that I wrote down on a piece of paper 2 years ago. It is incredible. Things are moving fast, but I think if you're not willing to take chances, take risks, get comfortable feeling uncomfortable, then you're not going to progress. And like I've always said, if you're not out of your comfort zone, you're not going to grow, you're not going to evolve. So take chances, jump on opportunities, and work for it. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.